Hello genius, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Explaining. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve for x in this amazing equation. We have been given x plus 2 over x is equals to 3, and we are required to find the value of x. Solution. So we have x plus 2 over x is equals to 3. So the first step, we shall multiply each term in this equation. I mean this term, and this term. We shall multiply by x. So we multiply by x, by x, by x, so that to get rid of this x down here. So we have x times x is x squared plus 2x over x is equals to 3x. So this x and this x cancels out and remain with x squared plus 2 is equals to 3x. Hope you understand, genius. So at this point, what shall we do again? We shall now bring this 3x on the left hand side of equal sign, and now we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. I believe that you have noticed that this is a quadratic equation. As you can see, it's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In this case, our a is 1, b is negative 3, then c is 2, as you can see. So this is a quadratic equation. So you can use either factorization method to get the value or to determine the value of x. You can use quadratic formula. You can use completing square method to get the value of x. So let's use a factorization method. Using factorization method, so we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So what are these two numbers that when we get the product of those two numbers, the product is 2. I mean, what are these two numbers that if we multiply them, we get 2. I'm saying the product of these two numbers is 2. Then if we add them, the sum is negative 3. Negative 3. The sum of two numbers is negative 3. This one. And their product is 2. What are these two numbers? The two numbers are negative 1, negative 2. If you take negative 1 times negative 2, sorry, you get 2. Negative 1 plus negative 2, you get negative 3. So these are the two numbers. So we have x squared minus x minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. We factorize this and this separately. Now we have x into x minus 1 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. So we take this and this. We have x minus 2. Then we take either of this or one of these, this one and this one. Since they are the same, they are equal. So x minus 2, sorry, minus 1 is equals to 0. Are we there? So x minus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 plus 2, which is equals to 2, or x minus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1. So x is either 2 or 1, meaning that 2 at the value of x satisfies this equation. Even also 1 at the value of x satisfies this equation, and x is equals to 2. X is also equals to 1. You can verify and see. So we have, when x is equals to 1, let's see, when x is equals to 1, what's the value of when x is equals to 1, does it satisfy this equation? Let's see. Our equation was x plus 2 over x is equals to 3. So if we substitute x with 1, it becomes 1 plus 2 over 1 is equals to 3. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. It's right. When x is equals to 2, these two here, let's see. Our equation was x plus 2 over x is equals to 3. But our x is 2. So it's 2 plus 2 over 2 is equals to 3. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So we are right. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Take care, genius. Bye.